Hi all, welcome back to OAT's Functional Test Automation video course. In this session, we will know about OpenScript utilities. OpenScript has provided pre-built API in order to optimize and increase productivity of any automation test engineer. That is, they have written huge set of code and provided as form of utilities which anyone can directly use them with their API. This is provided with the object called utilities. Mainly, it focuses on five things. One, file service, that is to interact with files like text, log, or any kind of files. SQL service is more about connecting to database and then executing queries and all those things. And though file service is somewhat generic, OATS has given three main specific libraries for CSV, XML, and JSON files so that they have individual API to work with these files. In this course, we will focus more about file service and I will tell you how you can learn more about other services and it should be self-explanatory for you. Okay, let us first create a sample script. Once we go to Java code, you see an object called utilities. So this is the object that is provided by OpenScript to the OATS consumers. So here, if you want to work with file service, it is pretty simple. You need to just say utilities dot get file service dot read all and then you have to provide the file name. I have created a small file which we will try to read. So this is the content of the file. Now let's pass the file path and then we can store this into a variable. Okay. We can now print the contents of this variable and see if we were able to read the entire contents of the file. Let us execute and see what do we get. So if you see here, we have the entire file contents that have been printed on the console. So if the same has to be done by an individual tester, you have to first open a file, read the stream, and then store it in a variable and then print it. But OATS has given this utilities object which you can use it directly and you are just done with single instruction. Now, how do we get to know about other methods or APIs which are available in utilities? Simple, press utilities and say dot. So you'll be seeing all the APIs that it is providing, like for example, load CSV file. One more amazing thing is you can select a method and on the right side you would see a documentation in a small box. Click on it and then you will see a complete understanding of what that method does and also provide an example. These are very good examples that you can easily understand by going through them. Similarly, you can have other things. So for each API, documentation is provided as how you have to use it. You should explore them and you will be able to use this. These are pretty much handy. It will help you to improve your productivity in developing the scripts. I hope this is an informative video session. Thank you so much for watching.